Morning guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to another video for Motorhome Retrofits. Now, if you've got a motorhome and you've got one of these, this is the factory fitted Fiat VP1. So the VP1 was the FM and DAB receiver, not much more. It was quite basic, not really many other features, but it still had things like radio menus that you could access via the system once it was plugged in. There is another model, is the VP2. The VP2 is the navigation system. So if you are concerned about having this removed and it upgraded or replaced to an aftermarket system, fear not, because this is what we do almost on a daily basis. We've taken this out, we've taken the cage assembly out, we've cut little plastic inserts out, and we've now fitted an Alpine Halo 11. You don't have to have the Halo 11, you can have the Halo 7, you can have the Halo 9, or you can have the 7-inch in-dash version. Either way, most important bit is that we supply and install a genuine Alpine interface lead. This talks data to the vehicle. Doesn't matter what connections you've got, it talks data to the vehicle. It pulls the CAN bus data signal to cater for speed pulse, reverse gear, and radio menus and steering wheel controls. So this vehicle doesn't have steering wheel controls, but we're using the data for the reverse signal and also the speed pulse to make sure that this new system can integrate as seamlessly as it can. So this is what's come out, and then you can come and have a quick look and see what's gone in. Okay, so just pop the ignition on. The Alpine Halo is going to boot up. We've also wired in this customer's dash camera. And luckily for us, it's a thinkware dash camera, so we fit these all the time. We've done a really nice, neat installation behind the rear view mirror. Now the Halo 11 is exactly what it is. It's an 11-inch screen. It's an HD screen, so it's 720p pixels, which means that it's really clean and really crisp for such a big unit as such as this. There's no CD player, there's no DVD player. It's a mechless system, but it's a multimedia or digital media receiver. You've got FM, you've got DAB, you've got dual USB, you've got dual camera capability, you've got direct TIDAL app. If you want, you can add on the Alpine or aftermarket HDMI accessory, and you've got wireless Apple CarPlay, but you've got wired Android Auto. Now there are little dongles you can plug in to make your Android Auto go from wired to wireless. We fitted a microphone, we fitted a GPS, we've even retained the lower GPS, the lower USB socket under the dash as well for convenience. And customers always ask, is my odometer going to flash? No, not with an installation from us, and certainly not with an installation when you're using genuine Alpine parts that then talk data to the vehicle. So as I said earlier, have no fear. This customer is going to be absolutely chuffed to bits to leave here with this really nice 11-inch Halo system that's really in keeping with the rest of the dashboard, and once his phone is connected, he's going to be able to listen to music or use navigation apps. So the actual model number of this Alpine is the ILX F115D. It's the Halo 11, It's a non-navigation system, but you can add the Alpine Navi stick, which is an accessory. You can add that into the USB, hide it behind the scenes, and it means we'll give you full-blown motorhome navigation with 3 years warranty. Because this customer has come to us to have this fitted, we are now providing 2 years warranty for peace of mind, because we're an Alpine Excellence dealer, so you can also come down to us. It's a 3-hour install, and yeah, customers are going to be chuffed to bits. So website links in the bio. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't already. Also check out our sister company, Advanced in Car. Subscribe to that channel as well. And as usual, thank you for watching.